Hey, welcome to second day of Build Sell Challenge, the January challenge of building a SaaS product in 30 days. Today is the second day of the challenge and we need to have a plan. So I'll try to make it quick. Let's jump to writing a plan. So yesterday I spent most time of figuring out what I want to do and actually recording the first episode. So today I want to try to do it differently, and I want to focus more on work than on the video. I still have 30 videos to make, so I can make every one of them like superb and a lot of b-roll and stuff. So let's make it quick. So I'm making beeeper, the SaaS product that aims to replace the traditional beepers on cafes, restaurants, and etc. etc. First thing is of course the name. In the last video, link right here, I called it a beeeper with 2 E's. Today I figured out that it needs to be with 3 E's just because branding. Basically the domain beeeper.com was super expensive. I figured that this is the SaaS product that needs to be done very quickly and I don't have much to invest on it. Besides my time, of course. So I picked the domain beeeper.org with 3 E's in it. I already bought it because I figured that it's more important to have any domain than none of them. And since I announced it yesterday, I had this kind of feeling that somebody will take this domain before me. I didn't do that for Twitter handler and anything else, but hopefully nobody took it, right? So the first thing is to set up all the accounts and start on value proposition and the website. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I've spent like 2 hours on things I've never thought that will take me that much time. I said I will come up with value propositions, and I did. With the help of my girlfriend, of course. It took me about 2 hours. I don't have much time left today. Weird. So, about this value proposition thing. When I was writing down my brief ideas, I wasn't sure what's the best value I can offer to my clients when it comes to this task I'm making. I briefly wrote down everything I had in my mind, and then I asked for a second opinion, and my girlfriend was kind enough to help me with that. We grouped them together and it turns out, I think, very nice. So let me read it to you. First, and the most important one, is reliability. I want people like the restaurant owners to stop worrying about this all breakable hardware, right? Software is more reliable because it's easily fixable. It can be fixed remotely even. I had this very nice funny quote I came up with, that restaurant pages, because as it turns out that's what they called, are breaking, and so do people's phones. But you're not paying for phones, right? The second value is increase your client satisfaction and communication. What I mean by that is this software is meant to communicate like problems like waiting times or something like that to your clients in order for them to be more aware of what's going on. Personally, I'm always frustrated when I'm given the pager or I'm waiting for my waiter and I don't know when he or she will come to my table and when can I take my order. This is something I often have problems with, but hopefully the SaaS will solve that. The third one is ease of use. This is funny because I live in Wrocław, Poland, so we have this beaches, as they will call it. It's more like outdoor restaurants. Often it's self-service, so you go into a bar and you're placing your order and they're giving you this pager that I mentioned. I called them beepers last time. You're going to the table, you're sitting, having fun, drinking, laughing and stuff, and now the pager starts to beep. Beep very, very loudly. I was so annoyed by that because I was talking to somebody and I was interrupted at one point. And the second point is beeps were coming from everywhere. Everyone was beeping almost at the same time. And this pager has this one tiny button, not labeled button of course, that when you pressed it, the beeper goes silent. I think I am the only one who knows that this feature exists and is pressing this button. So I think it will be easier if you have the, for example, big red button saying silence, right? This ease of use also comes to the integration part. Most of the restaurants are using Android devices or iOS devices as their input devices for the orders. By installing just one extra app, you can be sure that it's all you need. I mean, you don't need any extra infrastructure at all. I think it's also a good selling point for my business. And the third one is monitor your business and take care of your team. What I mean by that is, of course, when you're using these beepers, you're not counting the average time that people are waiting for their order. You're not measuring, I didn't measure that. Nobody's measuring how much time people are waiting for somebody to come and take their order. In order to fight that, I think I will provide some kind of statistics on what's the average time of people waiting for their order and how much time people are waiting for the waiter to come and take their order. So I think it will be beneficial for both owners and workers, because sometimes I see like a very good restaurant, very good place that offers great food, and people that work there are often overworked. I mean, there's a lot of people to take care and not enough people, and I think this statistic that people are waiting too long can always indicates that your workers are lazy or that your workers are overworked. For example, you need to hire more people to handle like taking an order, because for me personally, I would like someone to come and tell me, okay, listen, we have the situation, you have to wait a little bit longer because we have very busy day and the kitchen is not able to do every order at the same time, so it will take a little bit longer, and then I'm like, okay, no problem, just give me drinks first so I can sit and talk to my friend, girlfriend, anyone, and I'm fine with that, and I think most of people will be fine with that. That's my opinion. So I changed the camera for the last point, because for the value proposition it's not that important, but for me it is, because it's innovation. I'm a fan of innovation. I want to innovate everything, even if it's not required, but it's me. And when I looked at the restaurant software business, I discovered that there is not much software to be offered, especially when it comes to this pager thing. Everyone is selling the hardware-based beepers, pagers. And for me, innovation takes a very special place. I think it would be a very nice point to show on the website. I don't think it will be the main one. I mean, the claim that will be on the website is that my SaaS is offering new way of communication between your staff and always hungry clients. Because that's true. People get annoyed when they're angry, right? I'm a little bit angry because I'm waiting for pizza. It's pizza day today. And of course, I try to make the logo for my startup, and I don't think I'll be able to finish it today. I think in tomorrow's video I'll have a little bit more like work, not conceptual work. I already have what I need, I just need to display it the proper way. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish the website today. I mean, yeah, the second day and already a delay, so great. But what the heck, I think we have a good start. The beeeper.org domain is bought, and yeah, that's it for today. See you tomorrow.